In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save each card as a JPEG file so that you can send it to your students. You go up to the top and you click File, Save As, Browse. And then you browse to the spot on your computer where you wish to save each of the JPEG files. I suggest that making a special folder for all of the cards so it's easier to find them. So you browse to the folder where you wish to save the cards, and under Save as Type you need to change this because we don't want it to be a PowerPoint presentation. So you click the drop down menu and you choose JPEG file. So please make sure that that's changed to JPEG, and then you want to put the file name. And I suggest using the student's name, then it's easy for you to assign it and send it to them. So you change the file name and then you click Save. And then PowerPoint, this pop-up will come up, and PowerPoint is going to say which slide you want to export. And it's important that you pick just this one, or else they're going to save all the slides in the file, which we don't want to do. So you just please click just this one, and then just this card with the student's photo will be saved to your computer.